Hello, good morning everyone. I am Aditi Wala and today I would like to present Indian English literature post independence, and today's my topic is Nizam Ezekiel, a poet of India. So let's talk about Nizam Ezekiel. Nizam Ezekiel was born in 16 December 1924 in Mumbai, and he was also died in 9th January 2004 in Mumbai. Nizam Ezekiel was an Indian Jewish poet, actor, playwright, editor, and art critic also. Nizam Ezekiel considered the father of modern Indian English poetry by many critics. He was a foundational figure in post-colonial Indian's literary history, specifically for Indian poetry in English. Nizam Ezekiel as an Indian poet. Nizam Ezekiel wrote both elements in his poetry. First elements is romantic elements and second is modern elements used in his poetry. Nizam Ezekiel's poetry shows the effective use of English language, which is spoken and written in India. And romantic in the early career, he subsequently resolves to redesign his poetic world with the image of urbanity, and also contemporary India takes a leading space in his poetry. And here we can see the contribution of Nizam Ezekiels. Nizam Ezekiels enriched and established English poetry in India. And he is modernist innovation and techniques enlarged the scope of Indian English literature, moving it beyond purely spiritual and Orientalist themes to include a wider range of concerns and interest, including mundane familial events, individual angst, and spectacular societal introspection also. He was awarded 5 years later for his contribution to Indian English writing also. And for showing his Indianness, Nizam Ezekiel said, one quote, "My poems in Indian English are rightly described as a very Indian poems, and so they should not be considered as Mary Lepons." This quote is recited by me, and this quote is written by Nizam Ezekiel. Here we can see some poems of Nizam Ezekiel, like "The Night of the Scorpion," "The Patriot," "Poet Lover," "Bird Watcher," "Philosophy," "Jewish Wedding in Bombay," "Show Up the Hill," "Goodbye Party for Miss Pushpa T.S., Iceland, "Minority Poem," and also "The Professor and Enterprise." And in his mostly poem, we can study in our BA study, and the Patriot poem we can study in our masters also. And here we can see some features used in Nizam Ezekiel's poem. His poetic style is modern, restrained, and conversational. And he was also used of every Indian poem in Indian English. The effect of transfer from one level to another, a complete Indian atmosphere, commonly noticed, social satire, philosophic idea, and also high imagination used in his poems. And Nizam Ezekiel was wrote his work in free verse also, and he was the master of free verse, which is characterized by the matching of rhythm with the theme and emotion. He has mirrored his views on fellow beings, society, and the problems of common men in his free verse. And here we can see some themes used by Nizam Ezekiel in his poetry: the power of language, Indian identity, spectatism, memory, poetry, religion, and also the difference between the city and nature. And we can see all these themes in his poems. And here we can see some collections of his poetry. And Nizam Ezekiel has written many volumes of poem. First is A Time to Change in 1952. Second is 60 poem in 1953, and the third in published in 1959, and fourth is The Unfinished Man in 1960. The exact name in 1965, Snakeskin and Other Poem, and Later Day Slams in 1982. And Nizam Ezekiel also wrote some plays, and his plays Nalini marriage poem, the Sleepwalker's Song of Deprivation and Who Needs to No Introduction are already staged and published. And he was also edited books in Indian Writers in Conference in 1964, Writing in India 1965, and Emerson Reader in 1965, a Martin Luther King Reader in 1965, and Arthur Miller's All My Sons in 1975. He has edited many books around 1964 and 1965. And Nizam Musicals also have achieved two awards and the Sahitya Academy Awards in 1983, and he was achieved Sahitya Academy Award for his poetry collection Letter Day Slams, and he was also achieved Padma Shri Award in 1988, and this award given by the President of India. Here is my reference, and thank you everyone.